Hi! In front of me is Nokia G11 and today I would like to show you how you can connect this Nokia using Bluetooth. Firstly, just access settings and click on connected devices. Now choose pair new device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, just click on the chosen one. Now you need to select pair in this pop-up and then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by choosing this little gear icon next to the device, tapping on forget and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!